The length of ministry, Hinduism, the time was many generations. Over generations, the Hindu thought was formed. And in the end, there was a highly organized society. Today, the population nearly 1 billion. Buddhism, Gautama Buddha began at the age of 35, and for 45 years, preached and taught and organized societies. And today, the population is actually much more than that. I just written a number. Judaism, Moses taught and led the children of Israel for 40 years. At the end, they had a very organized nation with armies, and the population today is tens of millions. Islam, from the date of 610 CE, which is Common Era, same as AD, up to 632, 23 years, Muhammad had vision after vision and encounter after encounter with Angel Gabriel. And during that time, he organized those people where he lived into a huge fighting organization, which later on, within 100 years, swept the world and became the Ottoman Empire. It was not a small feat that he accomplished, but it took him 23 years to do that. Christianity, look at the number, 3.5 years. How long does it take to make a statement to the world? Have you tried it, given just 3.5 years? And that's not the point. The point he comes out last is, why was it only 3.5 years? Why not 20 or 30 or 40 like the others? And what is the answer? The answer reveals an extremely pathetic picture. He was rejected and booted out by his own community and sentenced to death. That is why it's only 3.5 years. On this point, he comes out last, completely last, as far as any of the founders is concerned. Only 3.5 years because he was kicked out. No other founder has that kind of a statement to his name. And yet some questions remain. If it's only 3.5 years, how come 2 billion people still call themselves by his name? The question remains.